morning. It's about 7 a.m. We're about to head to Rotor Riot in Barnwell, South Carolina. 3 hours drive, so to speak. So I'm just gonna go and then pretty much rip. So the biggest question out of here is Rotor Riot worth it? Like, should you really go? Like, should you invest into going to that? So I will be answering that question as I'm actually documenting my entire Rotor Riot experience. So stay tuned. Let's go. We're here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Hey, what's up? This is Jeff. I am with SSH Drones as usual. So we're here at Rotor Riot. Starting to hear like quad like ripping in the air. Not really sure where to go yet, but I'm about to go register and then we'll just take it from there. How's it going? Wow, this is Ledrib.
What's up,
in
guys?
person.
Welcome to Rampage. What are we doing today? Where are you flying? What are you doing? What's happening? What's the story?
Building and repair, and then pretty much just hanging out.
And then crashing and building and repairing.
Pretty much.
Okay, the usual.
Yeah.
It's good.
So yeah, I mean, I just got here. I came from my area.
Use my right.
So. All right, later. Oh well, that's pretty much what it is. All right, so first stop is pretty much build and repair. I guess this is where we register. So I'm not sure. We'll see.
A while or go ahead.
Oh.
Welcome to Rotor Riot.
Woo! We're here.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You missed yesterday.
Yeah,
But
I
I'm glad
did
you're
miss
here today.
yesterday.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, I
have
really.
a great time still.
Yeah,
today.
I mean, I couldn't make it yesterday, so yeah.
Well, let's make up for it today. Let's get you quickly registered.
All right,
And
awesome.
just, you know,
So guess who's here? All right, even 5, 4, just say bruh.
Bad.
And his insurance company, he tried to tell his insurance company that he didn't hit me.
Perfect. There you go. Autograph my Bardwell. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right, so real quick. Hey, Catmo, guess who's here?
This guy.
Here. All right, calm down. Mr. Steele's here. All right.
Are you, is it running? Does it have a video?
Yeah, it's recording.
Well, you asked Mr. Steele a question.
Okay.
He's gonna answer. He's not gonna fight.
If you come to Rotor Riot Rampage, this is what you're gonna expect. So.
Yep, nice, yeah.
Yeah, I always show up and don't tell people I show up, but I'm here every year.
Oh.
Yep, he just sneaks in. And,
All right, so let's fix it.
I'm here to charge if anyone asks. If not,
All right, so the quad is fixed.
nice.
All right, so we are going to leave build and repair real quick. Whole trick tutorial with Vanover. So let's get it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I got it.
So I hope that you guys are actually enjoying these videos because I really bust my butt. Look, I'm sweaty and all that other kind of stuff, but I bust my butt just to make sure that you guys get the content. So make sure you hit like, comment below, and subscribe.
when you're trying to take off?
Yeah, with the
One
throttle.
of the propellers is off. It was not tight.
Pretty secure
Right.
and out of the way. I don't know.
So that the
They would
props
rather it come back over the top. So what they would rather you do, I-flight. Your motor is spinning the wrong way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Is props in. That is clockwise. They are all spinning, except for that one.
Oh.
Okay, so they're all spinning clockwise. Okay, so let's see. This one is motor number 2, and it's going the wrong way. So let's click motor number 2. Oh, let's just do the wizard. So yeah, that's it. Your motor is spinning the wrong direction. We're going to do the wizard.
Oh, okay. Thanks, man.
Put the props on. And the first time you try to fly it, just sort of slowly raise the throttle and see if it hovers, but I think it's good.
Okay.
That was your problem. You had one motor spinning the wrong way.
Cool. So maiden flight was successful. The flight is flying out awesome. So pretty successful day. Just hanging out still. I'm about to go to Bardwell and I'm about to rip right quick. Let's get it. Let's rip. Let's do it.
I hit recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, Finnish friends on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, deep, deep.
All right, so let's just go to Bardwell real quick. I think I crashed, so I definitely didn't want to do too much because of the fact that my quad just got fixed and it took forever and a day just to get it fixed. So I definitely do not want to screw it up again. So, all right, so this is Bardwell. This is gonna be my last stop, and then after that, I'm just gonna head back to Atlanta. So I met some really cool peoples, and definitely going to rip right quick.
Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go up like, whoa. That money clip us not a new, now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip, neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib, neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick, neighborhood.
Hey, so welcome back. So Rotor Riot is over. I'm about to get up out of here, head back to Atlanta. So this was really fun. So the question is coming here worth it? Yes, it is. With everything that I have experienced and everybody that I see and everybody that I met, this is definitely one of a kind experience, so I would definitely recommend anyone to just come. That's FPV Pilot. I met a lot of super fun people, and this was really great. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I am Jeff with SONY Drones. I am signing off, and I'm heading back to Atlanta. All right, guys. Later.
Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa.
You enjoy pigeon jerky. Pigeon jerky. The Cadillac will process me.
Yeah.